Hi again. In this video, we are going to share with you fish pond designs in different shapes and sizes for your house, backyard or front yard garden. In this video, we are also going to share with you the building procedure for fish pond step by step. An addition of a pond in your garden is an ingenious way of transforming your home into a living paradise. As expected, building a pond is thorough, and if you are someone who wants to design it by yourself, here is a step-by-step process we are going to share with you. So, as a first step, you need to follow these things. After deciding which part of your backyard or garden to build your pond, use any gear you have that is able to assist you in visualizing the shape of your pond. If you are building an ecosystem pond instead of a simple water garden, make sure it is large to house living space for fishes. Outline your desired pond and the waterfall with marking paint. One tip: make sure the curves of your pond are wide. Next, lay your tubing from the waterfall filter to the skimmer. Get ready your adapters as well as cement to connect the tubing. Step 3. Finally, it is time for some hardcore garden work. Start digging around 6 to 8 feet deep, then build a plant shelf and then a retaining wall by using the dirt. Once you excavate your pond area, mark another outline deeper in your pond, around 2 feet deep. The area you outlined will be full of rocks. So the same thing as when you first outlined your pond wide curves. Step 4. Before installing the skimmer, pack down and level the soil. Afterwards, place the tubing and the check value assembly into the skimmer through the grommet and the pump respectively. Third, attach the tubing and check valve together. Lastly, connect the overflow pipe to the back of the skimmer while ensuring the overflow hole is above water level. Once it is set up, attach a bulkhead that is leak-proof to the overflow hole and use a male adapter to connect your tubing to a drainage ditch. Step 5. Underlayments is a thin layer of cushioning that can provide insulation against heat and moisture. Lay underlayment starting from the middle and make sure you go all the way to the corners of your pond excavated area. After the underlayment, lay the liner in the same way. Step 6. Next step is to connect the liner to the skimmer with a face plate. Secondly, make 2 holes for the 2 bolts using a nail. Removing the liner, place silicone over the holes and then attach the liner and the face plate again. Install and tighten the remaining bolts. Step 7. Boulders are placed starting from the vertical wall of the pond. After the large boulders are placed, fill the pond's bottom surface with smaller boulder and rock. Step 8. The waterfall box has to be straight horizontally and vertically 1 inch slanted forward. Position the liner in front of the waterfall box and mark the top bolt on opposite sides. Take out the liner and then apply silicone bead over the hole. Then place the liner back using the bolts. Retie the waterfall wire. Ensure everything is secure before trimming the liner. Step 9. Put bog plants on the plant shelf and water lilies at the bottom. Fill the pond with water. Step 10. Every drop of water from your waterfall comes from the pump, unlike natural waterfalls. Hence, it is crucial to make the limit amount of water you have to cascade down gently and beautifully, just like a waterfall. Waterfall foam will help to fill in gaps between rocks, and then they are all filled up. Water is being brought back to the top of the rock, flowing down again. With that, you are almost done building your pond. You can add any finishing touches as you like. So, at the end of this video, we want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel. See you again in next video. Have a nice day.